Hi, this video is about how to generate side countertop with our new release function in Customize module. So I have two base units ready with basic worktop. Right click on the worktop, select Generate Side Countertop. Click on the side that you would like to generate the side worktop. You should see the red line indicated the selected side. Then select from three given styles. Okay, untick the fall to the ground, then you may set a height for the side worktop. Let's say I put 250 and same as countertop thickness. Click generate and we are done. Let's try on another side. This time I'll make it fall to the ground. In other settings here, there are options of pad or double-sided worktop. If I choose double-sided worktop, the inner of the worktop will also be worktop material. Okay, I'll hide the cabinet for you to see the inner part of the worktop. Okay, right click the side worktop to edit. If I choose pad, then I can select different material for the pad. Alright, that's all for now. Happy trying.